Hi everyone, this is Kona and welcome to week 6. So week 6 information, I'm going straight from the overview to the study resources. So we're actually getting a little bit mathy. I know that's not really a word, is it right? But we're actually kind of digging in, doing some z-scores. So if you can see here, you're really going to actually be doing some math here. So because of that, let's look at the assignments for this week. So for the assignments for this week, first of all, your discussion this week should be pretty straightforward in that it's just a discussion of basically the methodology or what the methodology is going to be for your Project 2 final paper. So what you need to do in this initial post is just explain how procedures you collect for your data Project 2. So explain how you collected your data. Be very specific. How did you pick the people you surveyed, if it was face-to-face? How did you choose where to post the link to the online survey if you did an online survey? Did you randomly pick people out? Did you only ask your friends? No right or wrong answer, but it's really important to provide this specific information. For the follow-up, after reading through what others have posted, discuss whether or not you think the class data, as in all of the data we're using for Project 2, so not just yours, but all of the data, is potentially biased or not. So do you think this data can be generalized to the general population of the US? What about Illinois, Decatur? So for this one, the follow-up isn't as much as replying to other people as it is taking in what everyone writes and compare and contrast kind of how did you do it, how did other people do it, and try to figure out is our data collection methodology biased? And sometimes it is, but as long as you acknowledge that this data only meets this certain population, well, then it's okay because you've acknowledged what that is. But that's where it's really important that we understand. So this should be pretty easy. It's just basically saying, how did you collect your data and compare it to what other people did. The project for this week, or the part of the project, Project 2, is coding your data. I made a video showing exactly how you need to do that. And then I've got the directions right here. So watch the video, check out the directions. But in all honesty, this should be a pretty quick and easy assignment as well. It should not be difficult for you to do this. So the reason it's not going to be really difficult for the discussion and so this discussion and the coding your data is because some people find the Chapter 2 Quiz 4 and Chapter 2 Quiz 5 a little more difficult than maybe some of the other previous quizzes. It shouldn't be, but you really do have to think, and that's where, going back to this week 6 information, make sure you watch the videos, okay? Make sure that normality is approximation, the z-scores, assessing normal fit on a histogram. Make sure you go through and watch and take notes on these videos before you start trying to do this assignment or this quiz and this quiz. So also, if you're listening in, which hopefully you're doing, email me and let me know how this week is going, how the past few weeks are going, just in general, how are things going? How is the materials for this class? How are you feeling? You feeling pretty good? What is it? So email me with that information, and we'll see if we can cut you a couple points to kind of help you, because this week and these quizzes might be a little bit harder than maybe some of the previous week quizzes. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this week. So discussion 6 and project 2 should be pretty straightforward, but these two quizzes might be a little more challenging. So definitely give yourself some time and really do some focusing and studying on those. So have a great week. See you later.